You alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay, looking after yourselves. I'd like to show you this little gem here. I've had this since I think it was either 2006 or 2007 I purchased this from a place up in Windermere in UK. Absolutely beautiful, but I fell in love with it as soon as I seen it. She didn't look like that. She was grey and naked. What I did, I painted her black, then I went over her. I don't know if we can see there, bits of blue and yellow glitter within the paintwork. You see that? It's a very fine red and blue candy that's in there. Can you look at that? Now when the sun's on her, she's absolutely beautiful. She needs a polish again. I've already polished her about 3 times to try and get all the dust and the overspray and all the other crap that's landed on it over the years, being sat in the garages and being moved about from place to place. But I did love it. She was a beautiful boat. Now let's show you inside. You'll have to excuse me if the camera's a bit wobbly, trying to do this with one hand. Oh God, look at that mess. Oh, that's, like I say, she's been sat around for a long time. I think the last time I used her was probably about 2008. And ever since then she's just been stored away. But I think all that lot's beyond it. To strip all them out, the servos, they've seized solid, rock solid. That one, yeah, rock solid. My prop's still okay. That's still nice and free. That's good. God, what a mess. She needs a right good clean, doesn't she? Oh, you can still smell the fuel even after all this time. Oh yes. Oh, I love the smell of fuel in the morning. Here's my exhaust, look. This tin, this is the tin that contains the engine. Now I'll show you the problem I had with it. It was on this bit. I went to clean it one day and re-lube all the bearings and everything, and we had a little incident right there. There's one of the head bolts snapped inside it, and that's what stopped me. I thought about it over time, how to get that out. She's quite flush there, very flush, almost. There's a little bit sticking up. See, I thought about maybe tacking something onto the end of it with welder, but I don't want to melt the casing. But I think these days, because I like the peace and quiet because of where we are, that's still free. That's not seized up. That's a proper box of bits in it. Ball plug. There's the cylinder head, look. Water cooled it was. What engine was it? NX15. It was a monster, I know that. It was fast. Or is it NX16? NX16. It was stupidly fast. Yeah, I think it's NX16. The engine come with it when I bought it as part of all the package. I told him I wanted everything. I didn't just want the boat. And you can still see the lube on everything, look, when I put it away. Oh look, a brand new glow plug. Woohoo! I wonder then, maybe if I can get that out, we could get this up and running again. But I'd still like to know, guys, what's the best battery stuff to use. I think the servo, I'll probably use the same one as I've got in my crawler. The 25 kilo, that'll be plenty of power to turn the rudder. Probably too much, to be honest. But as far as a receiver, a ESC or something, I have no idea, guys, of what motor to use. I'd have to use a new linkage. I doubt I'll get that grub screw out of there. That looks quite a bit rusted in. But I don't know, guys. What do you think? You send me some links and whatnot. Post them in the comments. Let me know what's the best stuff I could probably use battery wise to get it back up and going. I'd like to get it battery because I'll be able to use it up on the fishing lakes, up on Country Park just outside my gate. It'd be nice to see it going again. Even no damage on prop neither. All these years been moved about. Be nice to get her going. Well, that's all for today, folks. I look forward to hearing and see what some of you have got to say and suggest. And hopefully maybe one day get her going again. Take care, guys. We'll see you again soon. Bye.